Here comes the really bright one. He's white also, he's not blue. Let's see what he's going to do. He's just going to get bigger and brighter. Here he comes. He flashed me. Good deal. I knew that was one of my buddies. I appreciate that, dude. I really do. You guys need to come on back down. You've been away for 2.5 months. Come on down. It's like, dang it. Anyway, that's not a satellite. He's not cloaking out. He's not dimming out. He's not doing any of that. He might disappear here. Or he might get higher. I don't know. Oh, man. It's killed my arm. And that is a fighter jet. Just came over after that orb flashed me. Anyway, you can see how his flashes are different. His speed is different. He's moving quite fast. As it's not that noisy, that's one of the newer ones.